stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was done. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with you, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to me. She made me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with you, I'd play a song that would never ever end. Because I love, love, love to dance with my father. Sometimes I listen outside her door, and I heard her mama crying for me. I pray for her